We have a great relationship and partnership with them, with Veterans Inc. and HVRP program across the state. What we do is we take an approach called the triangle team effect. And what we do is a veteran who actually is eligible for Chapter 115 benefits, they are required to not only meet with a DVOP at the AJC, but they're also required to meet with an employment and training specialist such as myself. So what we do is we work together as a team. We are here for the same mission. We're here to help the veterans succeed in finding employment. And, you know, it's not just finding a job, but it's helping them find a career.
We can help each other. There's no, you know, we could do it without them, but we can do it way better with their help. Introducing you to the DVOP is not the same as meeting the co-enrollment requirement for the HVRP grant. When the new grant came out and we were to be co-enrolling at the AJCs, we started by reaching out to all of our local AJCs and saying, can we come in and train your staff? And so that was what I did for our program. I went to the local career links, is what we call our AJCs, and I trained the staff on what HVRP was first, and then what the changes were to the grant that would now incorporate, you know, the DVOP or the career specialists at those AJCs. But what I found that has worked is to just keep an open door policy, to be available when they have questions or problems, to include them in our joint outreach so that they can connect with veterans at the same time we are connecting with veterans, so no one has the advantage or the upper hand, so that we are on a level playing field, because truly we can help each other. So we also ask that they be registered for classes at the Career Link, and then we follow up on that. And our DVOP and the career specialists that I work with are very good about emailing me if a client doesn't show up, emailing me to tell me that they've completed these classes, emailing me to give me their case notes, their participant ID numbers, or calling me to say, have you met with this person? Are there any updates? The career specialist at the Career Link in Lebanon County includes my notes in his notes whenever we meet with vets. You know, whatever it is that we're, you know, we truly do work together. Even, you know, when trainings and things come available that I get emailed, I forward those things to the career specialists or the DVOPs if I think, you know, oh, it's dealing with transportation or it's dealing with barriers, you know, let's go together and see what they have to offer. So we really do have a good relationship. So for the ones that don't have DVOPs, you have to be open to developing that relationship and finding out, you know, who is a good point of contact. So for each of our AJCs, we have one person who is our point of contact when we are scheduling appointments, when we are following up on veterans. And that has worked really well for us to be able to foster that relationship and collaborate without there being any lag time, that I don't have to, who am I supposed to call? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. We've really been able to streamline that process. We both want to be successful, and working together allows us to do that, but it also benefits the veteran because now the veteran has access to more resources. We really do try to work together to provide the veteran with as many services as possible.